i35equipment.com. This is a 2021 New Holland C327 tracked compact loader skid steer. We welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany if you like. We are open and showing equipment by appointment only though, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. So getting this machine shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address, several local haulers, and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange for your own freight or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine does come with 2 buckets. Also includes an 82-inch bucket with 9 teeth on it. This is the second bucket, which is a brand new, what they consider a rock bucket with dual grapples. Being the rock bucket, what it allows you to do is scoop up bigger rocks, scrap, concrete, whatever. It allows the small dirt to fall through the holes, and then you can grab and go. Also really good for moving trees that you've cut or pipes or just about anything else. New Holland does build this skid steer in the US of A. Runs and operates excellent. Rubber tracks, of course. Joystick controls with a foot throttle or twist throttle on the console. No depth required. I'm going to zoom out to that fisheye lens, give you a little better view of everything you see here. May distort just a little bit. Like I said, it'll give you a good view of everything though. Factory battery switch. Kind of hard to see, but here is the motor specs. I'm going to put the camera down in there so you see that. Friendly reminder, you can always pause. You see all the information on our website, www.i35equipment.com. Something I like about the New Hollands, they have your fills all protected inside the motor compartment back here. Hydraulic fill on this side, diesel fill over here. So there's no exposed caps or that would be on the outside of the machine. We do specialize in consignment sales here. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work machinery. We can help you get your equipment sold. It does have the 3 hookups as well as the plug-in there. If you need it for certain attachments require that. The Grapple just requires the 2 hookups there, as you see. And then it is a hydraulic quick attach system, so you don't even have to get out of the cab to hook up to your bucket. Really convenient. We'll show you how that works here in a minute. On dual grapple, some people have some questions about that, so we'll address it right now. What happens is it's a single hose coming off the machine, and it allows for dual pressures to be applied. So for example, if you had a tree that was bigger on this side than it was on this side, and like a pipe, which should be the same size all the way across, it could exert more pressure on this side than it does on this. So this side can come down on a smaller part if this side stayed up on a bigger part. Just gives you a real good grab on odd shaped things. Factory New Holland seat. Still has that Lexan glass up here. This is a partially enclosed cab, meaning it has open and closing side windows as well as the rear window. And you've got your joystick here for the left side, along with the schematic or the legend for that. Joystick here for the right side, as well as the legend for that. To operate the grapple, we're just going to be using this little push to the left or right. Just kind of go through all the buttons with you. You've got creep mode. This one's going to be for your flashers or hazards. If you have a beacon light, you can turn that on. This indicates that you've turned it into rat mode because it is a 2-speed machine. That's just to operate here on the left hand, so you can get across the job site or the pasture quickly. This is going to be the hydraulic quick attach system. Just unlock, you have to hold that in while you're curling the bucket up, which would be curling it to the left using the right handle. And then you've just got 2 red sticks down here. I'm going to zoom in on them. See if I can see it. There it is. So this red stick right here, that's actually going to poke out on both sides. One from there and one from there. When it's in the unlock. And then when you lock it, just going back to there, you just curl it and it will lock back and those sticks go down. That's just your indicator that it has been locked or unlocked. Light switch, throttle. Like I said, it also has a foot throttle pedal down there. This is your push to operate button, turn signals, left and right. Control pattern changer. Ignition's right here. It is a keyless ignition system. And this is all your information. We don't have it running, but let's go ahead and start it up so you can see this. Shows you your RPMs, your battery, your coolant, your hydraulic temperature, your fuel level, as well as this trip or this what it's running at this moment. Currently sitting at 700.2 hours. It may look on the video like there's a line going through it. In real life, that line's not there. It's just part of filming. And of course, it doesn't work until the operator's safety bar is down. You put this down and push to operate, and you're going to see this little green unlock is going to be there. So that means you can operate now. Before we move, before we do anything, I'm going to go ahead and show you foot throttle, twist throttle. All right. And then to operate the grapple, like I said, it's just going to be your right hand here. You see those grab at different rates or pressures. This right handle is going to control the bucket. So just pulling back comes up, pushing forward goes down. Left is going to curl up, right's going to curl out. And just a reminder, like I said, it does include a real bucket in case you have some other work you want to do where you want to hold all that dirt, or if you're doing sand, clay, any of that kind of stuff. Over here is going to be your moving of the machine. So left, right, forward, backward. You hear the reversal arm does work. If I remember correctly, this is going to be your horn right there. Okay. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online, www.i35equipment.com. Before we go, I want to show you the full extent of the height. Super good reach for loading up some big trucks if you happen to be doing that kind of thing, like dump trucks or anything else. Really convenient. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Give us a call with any questions. 405-833-6437.